Tailscale versus Zerotier versus Twingate, which is the best network solution. So we have three tools we're about to show you in our video, and whether you're building a home lab, maybe connecting remote teams, or scaling enterprise access, there's going to be a difference between the three softwares or tools since they will excel in different parts, but they do have similar traits still, but we will still be comparing all of them. But we're gonna start with Tailscale over here. Now, Tailscale is a modern mesh VPN built on WireGuard, designed to secure device-to-device networking, extremely easy with minimal setup. It will focus on seamless connectivity using identity providers and works well for both personal and team use. So we've already mentioned that it is very easy to set up and manage, which even across firewalls, secure encrypted connections built on WireGuard, and it integrates with identity systems. But it relies on NAT traversal and a managed coordination service unless it is self-hosted, limited for traditional LAN style layer 2 use cases. But more on that later. We're just gonna move on to Zerotier. Now, Zerotier, on the other hand, is a flexible software-defined network platform that creates secure private networks over the internet. It will combine peer-to-peer encrypted connections with virtual LAN capabilities, making it popular for home labs, LOT, and complex topologies. It's open source and free with no hard limits on users or devices. It can bypass firewalls, NAT, and works on many OS and devices. But the UI and onboarding can be less intuitive for beginners, slightly more overhead than WireGuard-based solutions, and some users report slower performance compared with WireGuard in benchmarks. But finally, we have Twingate. Twingate is a zero-trust network access solution that is designed as a modern alternative to traditional VPNs. Instead of connecting networks, it brokers secure access to specific resources and services with no open ports exposed to the internet. It has a strong zero-trust security model with least privilege access, a centralized control and integration with identity providers, and it is a good enterprise scalability and audit visibility. But as a final verdict, if ease of setup and lightweight mesh connectivity are your priorities, then Tailscale will often be the best for this side. If you need flexible network emulation and deeper control, then Zerotier is the better choice. And if you're focused on enterprise-grade zero-trust security, Twingate is usually the best fit for large-scale secure access. Of course, you can go ahead and explore each one of them in their corresponding websites to personally just compare it yourself, but hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.